While Activision Blizzard, the maker of Call of Duty, has agreed to pay approximately $50 million to settle a lawsuit filed by California's Civil Rights Department. Well, the suit, initiated after a 2-year investigation, alleged systematic gender discrimination, including underpayment and denial of promotion opportunities for female employees. The settlement, subject to court approval, includes a withdrawal of allegations related to systemic sexual harassment. Activision Blizzard is set to implement additional measures to ensure fair pay and promotion practices as a part of the agreement. The company will provide monetary relief to women who were employees or contract workers in California between October 12, 2015 and December 31, 2020. While Activision Blizzard asserts that no court or independent probe has substantiated systemic or widespread sexual harassment claims. This settlement is not the first of its kind. In 2021, the company agreed to pay up to $18 million to settle similar claims with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission.